Well, people, got the Civic out for a test drive, and it's doing well. Fun little car to drive. And you know what? The funny thing is, I don't hate this thing as much as when I started on it. I actually came to appreciate it a little bit, I think. Oh, let's do a little better. And the center armrest keeps popping open, hitting me in the elbow, driving me crazy. But these things did have kind of a fun little, what do you call that? Heads-up display? Is that what it is? These little 8 gens are, I think, are pretty good cars once you plug every freaking leak on them. But the nice thing about these engines, I think, is I think they are fairly simple. And even though with age you're going to have all kinds of things leaking that you're going to need to reseal, I think the guts are pretty dang good. So it's all about, I think, just learning the system. Just if you get one of these old 8-gen Civics, just expect to do at least one good just kind of tear down and just reseal everything and check the thing over for leaks. And what is kind of tough about this is you've got 4 freaking fluids that can and likely are going to be leaking. And so, I mean, you've got your power steering fluid, you've got your oil, you've got your coolant. Why do I feel like, what? Oh, and you know what else I found is your AC, your AC system. That's another one, because there's dye in my AC system on this car, which I need to replace the entire AC system. Because essentially, I guess once the compressor goes bad and metal shards get through the whole system, I mean, there's as far as like the condenser, most of the parts you just got to replace. That's the bottom line. So anyway, now that I got this running, I got to get it over to the place to actually pull the coolant or the refrigerant out of it, and then I'm going to replace that whole system. So that's fun. But I don't hate this thing. In fact, I think there's a lot of things about it that are built better than my Golf R over there. Namely, the cylinder head, or the cam cover drives me absolutely crazy on the Mark 7 Volkswagens. The weirdest, stupidest, most short-sighted design. I think it's so frustrating. Some of these manufacturers, they're just building the cars to last the warranty, and I don't know. So I still love that Golf R, trust me. But now that I've seen the cam cover design is the Achilles heel on that thing, as far as I'm concerned. I do not like it. I prefer a traditional cam cover. So anyways, all right, so there you go. Just wanted to show you guys the thing's actually working pretty nicely, other than this thing I gotta fix now. But anyways, all right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.